Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 11. An article was purchased for rupees 1239 including GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. Let us find. Here see, it is given that GST is 18%, right? That means the price of the article when the price of article when the price of article when the price of article including GST is rupees 118. Original price price is rupees 100. When the price of article including GST is rupee 1, original price is rupees 100 by 118. When the price of article including GST is rupees 1239, original price is rupees 100 by 118 into 1239. Let us find this one. It is 100 by 118 into 1239. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1 to 3, 9. Let us find the value. We cut it by 2. 2 for 10. It is 0 by 2. 2 for 10. 2 9 18. 59. If we divide this one 1239 by 59, then we are getting 59. 2 9 18, carry 1, it is 8. Return 11, 118 by 2, it is 118. We subtract this one, 8, 5 13, carry 1 1 and 2, 5, 59. Then 59 1s are 59. We are getting 21. This is 1 and this is 21. If we multiply 50 with 21 into 50, then we are getting 0. It is 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 0 5 0. 1 0 5 0. That we are getting 1 0 5 0 rupees. What is the question? Find the price of the article before GST was added. Therefore, the price of the article price of price of the article before GST was added is rupees 1050, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.